So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade ISO 15 for your iPhone Pro and Pro Max. Go to your setting and this program and set a general, and you have to choose software update and is searching for update. Update available, so press on update now and you have to enter your passcode. So it's loading. Wait a couple of seconds or minute to complete the update. So update available now. Install. And wait a couple of seconds to verifying update. Let's automatically restart. So it's updating. So after completing this full ball, your phone will be automatically updated with your latest ISO version. So after completing the update, my phone is restarted again. So go to your setting, general, and software update. So ISO 7.0 ISO is up to date. Okay, hope you enjoy. Thank you.